In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Eventbrite tickets. We'll walk through printing directly from your Eventbrite account and from your confirmation email, with clear tips to make sure your ticket scans perfectly at the door. First, let's print from the Eventbrite website. On any computer, open your web browser and go to the Eventbrite website. Sign in using the same email address you used to buy the tickets. Once you're in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Tickets. You'll see a list of your events. Select the event you're attending to open its details. Look for a button labeled Print Tickets. If you don't see that option, click Download PDF instead. That saves the ticket file to your computer. Open the PDF, then press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac to open the print dialog. Choose your printer, select how many copies you need, and click Print. Check the preview before you print. Set the scale to 100% and choose Fit or Actual Size so the QR code stays clear and uncropped. Eventbrite typically sends tickets as PDF attachments, and you can always download them again from your account if needed. You can also print directly from your confirmation email. Open your email inbox and search for Eventbrite along with the event name to find the confirmation. Open the email, then open the attached PDF ticket, or click the ticket link to view it in your browser. Once the ticket is open, print it using your browser or PDF viewer's print option, or use the same shortcuts. Ctrl+P on Windows, Command+P on a Mac. Confirm the correct printer, choose the number of copies, and print. If you don't see the email, check your spam or promotions folders or search for your tickets to locate it quickly. A quick tip before you hit the venue. Most events accept printed tickets, a PDF ticket displayed on your phone, or the QR code in the Eventbrite app. Unless the organizer specifically requests a paper ticket, the digital version usually works just fine. If you do print, use standard letter or A4 paper, avoid scaling that cuts off the edges, and make sure the QR code is sharp and high contrast so it scans on the first try. If you purchase multiple tickets, print one page per attendee so check-in goes smoothly. That's all you need to print Eventbrite tickets quickly and correctly. Re-download the PDF if anything looks off, and you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching and have an amazing time at your event.